Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to remove directories and files. If I would like to remove an empty directory, I'm going to run the command rmdir, then the name of the directory, for example directory 4, hit enter. Now I'm going to double check if I do have the directory. I don't have directory 4 here anymore. Assume that I have a directory and subdirectories and I would like to remove the subdirectory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same command rmdir, and I have here d1, and inside d1 there is d2. I'm going to remove d2, then I hit enter. Let's double check d1. As we can see here, we don't have d2 anymore. If I would like to delete parents, so the directory and even the subdirectory, for example here we have Linux, and inside Linux we have another directory or a subdirectory. It's called Red Hat. So I'm going to type rmdir, then I have to type the option -p. This is parents, so he's going to delete the directory and the subdirectory. So Linux, then Red Hat, I hit enter, ls-l. As we can see here, we don't have the Linux directory anymore. If I would like to get more information about this command, I can go to the man page and we can get more details and information about the rmdir command. There is another command also we can use. Let's go to the man page of the rm. So rm removes files and directories. So for the previous command, the rmdir, that one is just to remove directories. But for the rm, it removes. So the rm removes the files and directories. So okay, let's go back here, and what I would like to do right now, I would like to remove, for example, the text file here, rm and f1.txt. Let's double check. So we don't have the text file anymore, the f1.txt. If I would like to remove a directory, for example, assume that I would like to remove directory 3, so rm. However, for this command we have to use the recursive, the -r, in case if there is any subdirectories inside the directory. So, and then I'm going to type dir3, hit enter, ls-l. As we can see here, we don't have directory 3 here anymore. Now if I would like to run the option -i, for example here the rm-i, in order to promote or to ask us, the system will ask the user before every removal if you are sure you want to delete this text file. For example, if I would like to delete f4, I'm going to type f4, so the system will promote a question. So as you can see it here, now I have to answer yes, hit enter, ls-l, as you can see here. So we don't have f4 anymore. And there is also another option, it's -f. It's for -f, like force. If I would like to force the system to remove the file, for example, I'm going to force the system to delete this directory. I'm going to hit enter, ls-l. As we can see here, we don't have d1 anymore. If I would like to remove all the text files, so I'm going to rm-r, then I'm going to type *.txt. So in this command, I'm going to tell the system that I would like to remove all the text file. So anything, doesn't matter, we start with what? The .txt. As long as the file ends with the txt, so the system will remove that text file. Hit enter, ls-l. As we can see here, we don't have any text file anymore. If I would like to remove the directories also, I'm going to do the same thing, rm-r, r. So rm-r -r, this is for the recursive. Then I'm going to type dir, then star. So as we can notice here, we have 1 and 2. So and they have the same name. They share the dir and the dir at the beginning. So I'm going to tell the system to delete all the directories. It doesn't matter what's the ending of this directory. I'm going to enter right now ls-l. As we can see here, we don't have the directories here anymore. If you would like to get more information, as I mentioned, I can go to the man page of the rm. So you can see here we can find more information about this command, and also we can find the options that we can use with this command. Let's conclude our session. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.